Here we are back again at the wonderful Howlin in Chinatown, downtown LA, cranking out the best Nashville hot chicken in the world and crinkle cut fries. And let's dig in. I mean, this means business. Oh boy, look at that. This is, cheers. Too much. It's hot. Oh my God. Had a little mishap with the phone. I was into eating too much to fix it. So anyway, they killed it again. It was unbelievable. Thank you, Johnny Rayzone. Howlin is simply the best. It stands head and shoulders above all others for Nashville hot chicken in LA.